Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch negative mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the negative mutations, also known as the void mutations, is one of the most rarest and most valuable visual in Abyss. And in here, I'm going to show you how you can catch it easily. So I suggest you to catch it during night like this or maybe rain. And don't forget to use your radar to easily spot the negative mutations or negative mutated fish. Let's see if there's any in here, and if you don't see it, you can just you can just go deep down again and again, click on your radar to see if there is any negative mutations near you. So it's usually in a negative color, and I think it's easier for you to spot it during the night like this because the color will be pop up. So I don't see it now, but you can always explore again to spot the negative fish. Don't forget to use your radar and your best gun to catch it, especially if you want to catch it in a bigger fish or a predator fish. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next one.